Hi everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and the girls are going to help me do today's top 5 plants. I'm going to start. I have euphorbia. Now we talk about euphorbia a lot when we do our planting tutorials, and we use euphorbia the same way that you would use baby's breath in a bouquet. So it just has like a pretty little sprinkling of white flowers all over it. That's why we use it in so many baskets. Liv's up next.
Hi, it's Liv from Deb's Greenhouse. I picked this pansy because it's kind of blue. It's in the color frost, and not a lot of flowers are like this blue like this. These love shade, and they're edible, so you can put them on like cakes and stuff. They're really pretty. They don't taste like anything though.
Alright. Hi, I'm Abby from Deb's Greenhouse, and I picked this pretty pink petunia. It's called a durabloom watermelon petunia, and it's like the most vibrant petunia that we have here. It's really pretty, and it loves the sun, and it's gonna like wave out, which is super cool. And you don't have to deadhead it, which is awesome. So Gitta's up next.
Hi, I'm Gitta from Deb's Greenhouse, and this is a trailing begonia, and it really likes shade, and by September it'll be about 2 feet long.
Alright, and here's the last for the top 5 of the day. So we have the thunbergia. It's also known as the black-eyed Susan, and this is the first bloom that we have of the pink color, so that's why we wanted to show it. And these they vine, they are perfect for planters, and what else, guys?
They'll get tall.
Yeah, they'll get tall, and they love the sunshine. Lots of sun. So
Yeah.
that's all our top 5 of the day. Thanks for watching,
Thanks,
guys.
guys. Bye.